Okay, we are going to compare each line of this account in our from our new versus old. Okay, first we are going to compare this one. Example, we have Sado. This is November, so we cannot touch that one. Okay, let's start with plot 49. Okay, so in the plot 49, the balance is 1024. However, in our record, it's 740. Now we are going to check the what you call this one, the content of that, and see what's the difference. Okay, in here, I think the difference, as you can see, is we have 283 because as of this, we are balanced. This one, okay. We have 283.75. So why do we have this? Okay, now let's try to find in the old one if there is a 283. Maybe we have a mistake committed in here, so we are going to correct 283.75. Okay, 283.75. We are going to check that one. So it looks like there's a 283 in 731, and we have recorded that 731 also. So the record shows that it is 2307 ABQA and passed to 2307 ABQE that is under that 2743. Okay, so first copy this one from 4656 to 307 ABQA. So this is coming from 2307 ABQA. So this is the one, and then here must be, so it is not plot 49. 2307 ABQA. Yeah, so this is it. Okay, yan. So after that we close, then we're done. So therefore our balance now for that particular account is now equal to that. Okay, now let's have another try with the other account. Okay, let's go back to the summary. Okay, so on the next is we have plot 50. Okay, and here we have plot 50, but this is negative 32. But in our case, this is negative 171170. So probably there must be a difference. Okay, so we change this one to this year, and also this one this year, but change this one to classic because the default is a modern presentation. Okay, so if we check this, let's try to check from here on the side. Okay, so you can see the balances of this is equal. Okay, but beginning here there's something different. Okay, I think we forgot the we are equal here. 7, that's 153, but the 894, we have no 894. This one 89424. So let's try to find. So it should be inside. Don't create automatically. Try to find it here inside, because probably it must be here. Okay, 89424. Yeah, so that is 81. That is 81 episode. Yeah, here is 82. So 82. Yeah, this is the amount. Okay, so we received the payment. So it should be plot 50. So here we put that as not cleared. Okay, so now we are going to check that 894.24. Okay, we could not find that 894.24 under this 81. So therefore, that is correct. So we put that as not cleared. 824. So we have no 894.24. Okay, we are going to check inside why. What is this specifically? 6,000. There is a 6,011. No, this is not. It says 6,000. Let's check. Okay, so for that, since that is not cleared, so we are correct that we put that one because we cannot we cannot see that directly to the bank, that particular. Okay. Now what else? So we are done with that, so we need to resolve that later. Second is by the way, I have here the reconciliation of subaccount for space between all these BC. So the purpose of this, open this one. I would like you to put in here, for instance, this one, plot 25 or 656. Okay, I need this one to be put in here, and whatever is the difference, for instance, that one, like we put the date and the just the amount. Okay, so you, since that is the difference, the 89424, put in there amount and the what do you call this one, the date, that is 82. So 82, so 23, then put the remark. Okay, example, the remark is not cleared. Okay, not cleared in bank. Okay, so that's it. So that's why we segregated that. Okay, next is what else aside from, so after that there is a negative 706, so we have that. 1319, we have that. 7125, we have also that. 2304, 234, negative 130, the 78, 26, 40. Okay, why do we have two 40s in here? Okay, so that's it. We have a problem. So what should be this 40? This 40 is from plot 50 to profit. Okay, then here we have plot 50, yeah, to profit. And what about the other? The other is, yeah, this is also plot 50. Okay, now let's try to look into the chart of account. Let's go to 4656 and filter that 4050. Let's try to see if the two is reconciled. Okay, there are really two transfers during the time. So in their case, I think we have mistaken. Okay, 450. Yeah, they have only one transfer for 450. So let's take a note that in 1031 there are two 4050 that were transferred. Let's try to take a look. 4050. Oh, why there is, oh, it's an internal, so it should be this one is deleted, so this is a redundancy, so we need to delete one of them. Okay, so once that we delete, so we retain only. Okay, so that's it. Okay, and yeah, we're done with the difference. So the only difference supposedly now that after we run, then we run this again. Okay, so once that we run that again this year, we will see that I think the only difference should be, so if you calculator 4468 minus, there's a big difference in here. First is, we have these two positive, right? Okay, 1, okay, minus or plus 130 and 20, so 1570. Okay, let's try to look into the more positive. Okay, another, there are 262 here, entry. Why is that? For this .50, there's some redundancy in our entry, so in here better to delete the other one. It should be only one. Okay, okay, second is there is 291.14. Okay, there should be 191.14 for that. So let's delete this. Okay, so 706,234. We have 3019. We have 234. We have 71, 25, 130, 7806, and yeah. Okay. Okay, we should cut this to 8, 10, October 31, run. Then yeah, then 82. So the difference mainly 8232. 8232 minus 976.56, so we have 84. So this is the difference mainly, this one that we have accounted as not clear. Okay, so that's how we are going to reconcile. Okay, so whatever you can, so that's it. So in here, in the reports, this is the amount that we can say as not cleared. Okay, then maybe try to put this one in here instead of having separate sheet for each, so we can have another, let's have another account in here, another column. Okay, all of these are 4656. Okay, so that's it.